king and Haman came into banquet with Esther the queen. The king now said to Esther, also on the second day during the banquet of wine, what is your petition, O Esther the queen? Let it even be given to you. And what is your request? To the half of the kingship, let it even be done. At this, Esther the queen answered and said, if I have found favor in your eyes, O king, and if to the king it does seem good, let there be given me my own soul at my petition, and my people at my request. For we have been sold, I and my people, to be annihilated, killed and destroyed. Now, if we have been sold for mere men slaves, and for mere maidservants, I should have kept silent, but the distress is not appropriate when with damage to the king. King Ahasuerus now said, yes, he went on to say to Esther the queen, who is this unjust? Where is the one who has emboldened himself to do that way? Then Esther said, the man, the adversary army, is this bad, Haman. And as for Haman, he became terrified because of the king and the queen. As for the king, he rose up in his rage from the banquet of wine to go to the garden of the palace. And Haman himself stood up to make request for his soul from Esther the queen. For he saw that bad had been determined against him by the king. And the king himself returned from the garden of the palace to the house of the wine banquet. And Haman was fallen upon the couch on which Esther was. Consequently, the king said, is it also to be a raping of the queen with me in the house? The word itself went out of the king's mouth, and Haman's face they covered. Harbona, one of the court officials, before the king now said, also there is the state that Haman made for Mordecai, who had spoken good concerning the king, standing in Haman's house, 50 cubits high. At that, the king said, you men, hang him on it. And they proceeded to hang Haman on the stake that he had prepared for Mordecai. And the king's rage itself subsided.
Even though you have, we would like to welcome Brother Simon Ward to our Theocratic Ministry School. Brother Ward was working on point number 1, accurate reading. You think he did a fine job? He did. What I really enjoyed enjoyed about his reading not only was the accuracy, but this young brother showed sense stress throughout the reading. Brothers, take that as an example. Nicely done, son. We look forward to your next part on the Theocratic Ministry School.